In this video, we will be solving this question which says find for which xy the following function is well defined. That means we have to find its domain, and your function is fxy, which is equal to x ln y minus x square, and we have to also sketch the domain in the xy plane. Now ln or natural log is a function only for a greater than 0. That means this value to be greater than 0, which means your domain is y square minus x should be greater than 0, or your y square should be greater than x. So you have domain xy such that y square is greater than x. Now we have to sketch this domain in the xy plane. Now as you know that x is equal to y square is a parabola which is opening in this direction. This is x and this is y. And we want that value, where y square is greater than x. So just randomly choose this number which is minus 1, 0. So that would be 0 is greater than minus 1, which is true. Hence this entire region or the shaded region is your domain. Let's move to the second part, which says consider the function fxy x to the power 2y minus x. In what direction should one move from the point 2, 1 to increase the value of the function most rapidly? And what is the maximum rate of increase? Now we know that from the properties of gradient that the direction in which the function's value increases most rapidly is the gradient's direction on a specific point. The gradient of fxy is this, that is the partial derivative of f with respect to x and the partial derivative of f with respect to y. So differentiating this with respect to x and y, I will get x multiplied by e to the power 2y minus x multiplied by minus 1 plus e to the power 2y minus x. And when you partially differentiate it with respect to y, which means you are keeping x constant, then your partial derivative is x e to the power 2y minus x multiplied by 2. Now solving this, your gradient becomes e to the power 2y minus x, 1 minus x, and e to the power 2y minus x, 2x. The function asks us to find the rate at the point 2, 1. So let's substitute the value of x and y with 2, 1 respectively. So this becomes e to the power 2 minus 2, 1 minus 2, e to the power 2 minus 2 multiplied by 4, that is minus 1 and 4. So your vector is minus 1i plus 4j. So one should move in this direction from the point this so that the rate of change is maximum. And also the question asks us to find the maximum rate of increase, which is the norm value of the gradient. So your vector was minus I plus 4j. And its norm value will be square root of minus 1 square plus 4 square, which is square root of 1 plus 16, which is square root 17. So the maximum rate of increase is the norm value of the gradient, which is root 17.